Check it out. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Another episode of Drip My Whip. And
who's all these people?
Everybody not with me.
Everybody not with us, bro. Y'all better,
we are at the Pink Flamingo.
I'll get y'all escorted so fast. See, that's what we going yellow.
We're at the Pink Flamingo warehouse party, and we just got the car in. It took a lot to get the car here, but at least we're here, and so we're just gonna get cracking. We got a lot of stuff going on. So they kicking everybody out of the pit right now, but like I said, we just pulled up Pink Flamingo warehouse party. It just got started. I was late because I had a brake line issue, but we made it here, and damn, this man doing, look at that. Anyway, we lit. We got Anthony here. We got myself here. We got a load of Beamers. And it's gonna be a good time. You excited?
Yeah.
We're gonna be on our Cali shit today?
We're gonna pop this shit off.
Oh yeah, bro. We can kill that shit. Yeah. Wait, why are you in my car?
I don't know, race car things. You know?
Race car things. So there's about 3,000 people that are coming. We got about 1,000 people here right now. A lot of big names are out here. This is gonna be a lot of fun. I'm very, very excited. I apologize if I'm a little bit in and out for everything. People scream on shit, but either way, we're gonna try to get as much filming as we can in. So sorry if it's a little spotty in places. It's really hectic right now. So before it gets crazy tonight, what's your expectations? You gotta speak up.
Someone's gonna crash.
Okay.
That's honestly all I care about. That's all I want to see. Like, for example, only reason motherfuckers watch NASCAR is to watch motherfuckers crash.
So you hoping somebody crashes? You praying on somebody's downfall?
No. I'll never wish that on anybody. That's fucked up.
It always happens.
I just want to see it.
What's your expectations? You gotta speak. They gotta yell. Oh, yo, look who it is. If y'all don't know who that is, y'all need to know who that is. That's Michael from GTA. Let me go talk to him. How you doing, man? Nice to meet you, man.
Oh shit. Yeah, took this thing around. It's called a selfie.
Can you say subscribe to Drip My Whip?
Can I do what?
Subscribe to Drip My Whip.
Subscribe?
Subscribe to Drip My Whip.
Subscribe to Drip My Whip.
Yeah.
You just want me to say that?
You can say whatever you want on top of that. Yeah. You're known for your, yeah.
What is subscribe?
On YouTube. I do YouTube.
Oh.
Yeah.
Subscribe to Flip My Whip.
I know you're supposed to forget 1,000 things every day, but please.
Just fucking flip my whip.
It's drip.
You drip my whip.
There you go.
Got the drip of the whip. My drip is a whip. My whip is a drip, and my slip is a tip. Let's go.
Woo! Thank you, though. That thing barking. Are you ready to do some sliding tonight? Are you ready to do some sliding tonight?
I don't think I'm gonna slide. I'm gonna slide in a car. I'm not gonna.
I've got that's my orange car right there.
Oh, is it?
If you want to hop in, just let me know.
Yeah, that's badass. Dude, they got me sliding with some fine looking girl. You ain't fine.
No, I make up for it with a car. That's why.
Yeah, not jumping a few of them probably. I don't know. We'll see.
Just all taking pictures. Hey, you got it. All right. It's gonna be fun. Like I said, if you see me just driving in, just hop in. Yeah. Drip My Whip. Yeah. Just met Michael from GTA, bro. Y'all be on the vlog? Yeah. How you doing?
What up, bro? We active tonight. You know, Pink Flamingo shit. We about to see Chris tear the fuck up in the pit, bro.
Yeah.
1 hour later.
I didn't know that they actually modeled Michael off your actual person until I saw you in an interview. I'm like, wait.
If you've ever seen Stephen Hogg, who
Yeah,
plays Trevor,
he looks just like him.
he's an ugly fucker, man. He looks just like Trevor.
Do we see you in number 6?
Just keeps going, huh?
That's a good
You
question.
in number 6?
In what?
And numbers GTA 6.
What's that?
Don't do that.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Don't do that. This has been really fun, and we've only been here for like, I don't know, maybe 45 minutes or so. I've given 2 interviews, taken a lot of pictures, and met a lot of cool people. And this is way more than I was expecting, but we're about to get lit, I promise. Oh, we get lit, we get lit. I gotta watch out for my car, bruh. that car is safety, huh? We deep right now. We deep. I just switched to my other camera. I don't know what the hell wrong with the other one, but we switched to the GoPro and we're gonna keep this party going. They still going crazy. The cars are about to go up now, so we're gonna move some stuff because I ain't about to have my stuff get hit.
A few moments later.
Of course, we just moved the cars and it's raining, but it's all right. We're gonna go see what we can get over here. Big bark. Big bark. We're loading up. Big ass crowd. A lot of people came out. Bro, it is raining so hard.
It's so hard, it's making me hard.
It's, dude,
What did he say?
it's pouring, bro. It's pouring. Watch out. Alright, hold on. Oh, it's raining super hard. Nope. We waiting in the car. Nope. Waiting in the car for this one.
Extra points. I have a brand new bumper.
Let's go. Oh, it's soaking wet out here, bro. I might not be able to record. I'm so sorry.
Oh shit, it's Drip, bro.
We need you. What's going on, man?
I'm in line.
Oh,
Yeah.
damn it.
Keep driving in circles, bro. What's the problem, bro? I don't know if y'all can see, but so essentially what's happening is the state patrol came and they're trying to question the permits. They questioned a bunch of stuff. And so now they're trying to say stop the slaughter or everybody goes to jail. So they're working with them up there. So that's why we just really sitting here. If y'all look around, we got about 3,000 people standing here waiting to see a show. The rain stopped. It's literally perfect right now. And so now we just left with a fucking head up our ass.
20 minutes later.
Apparently it was unsafe up top. There's too many people up front, so they shut it down. We don't know if we're gonna slaughter yet or not. Probably not. So this is probably gonna be the end of the video, which sucks. It actually sucks. I put new tires on this thing. I fixed a brake line issue I didn't even show y'all about, or tell y'all about. But had to fix a brake line up here literally an hour before I got here. Brand new tires, changed all the fluids, changed the oil, spent hella money trying to get this thing ready, bro. And so it's just annoying that we gotta just literally watch everybody leave, and now I'm probably gonna be going home too. Oh, what's the move, bro? I see you got tacos. I don't know what happened. It's maxed out apparently.
It's all being lame, bro. Yeah.
Oh God. So I guess we're not gonna get our tandem in.
That sucks.